Okay, so for your birthday cake, I was thinking to work with this size cake. Okay, is that okay?
Not really gonna work.
Why?
Alright, I'll be back in 10 seconds.
Did you print out some pictures you want?
Yeah, printed of 3 Pokemon that I've specifically chosen. So this is the picture of all of them.
Let me see. Okay.
The reason that will not work is if you look at them all, they're all quite big.
So which one is that?
That one is called Mega Charizard X.
X. Okay.
This one is Ash Greninja. And the reason it won't work is because these 2 will fit on.
You are joking, right?
Nope.
You want me to make that?
Uh-huh.
And how do you think I'm going to do it? I'm just curious. And this one is
Mega Sceptile.
Mega Sceptile.
And this is the specific one that make it not work. Because if you see, its tail is pretty much the same size as its whole entire body, and including the neck. So these 2 will fit on perfectly, but then this one will start hitting these 2. Literally.
Okay, so explain to me how you want your cake to look like.
Exactly like this.
Yeah, just... Okay, so this is the
Next a little bit,
base cake.
what you said. And then, let's say this one, Ash Greninja goes there. So since he's on water, it will be blue, dark blue, with light bits of water going around it.
Okay.
Light blue bits of water going around it.
So he's on top.
Yeah. Then, Mega Charizard X, say he goes here. Since he's blue fire, it will be dark blue with light fire.
Okay, so this one, Ash Greninja, is the water. This one
is the blue fire.
Blue fire, but how is blue water, blue fire going to work?
No, basically, you may not think it works, but then when you describe this, that's why I would choose these 2 specific ones. If you chose another one, Mega Charizard Y, it wouldn't work.
Okay.
Why, you may ask? Why? And then Mega Sceptile will go there. So the reason I've chosen these 3 is because these 2, if you think about it, they're blue. This one's green. Mix them together, you get turquoise. So the base around it will be turquoise. With images, for example, this one's grass, so it'll be grassy plains around it. Fire coming up from the bottom and water coming down from the top.
Okay.
And then the space in the middle is for his tail.
Okay. Cake flavor? Vanilla?
Of course. Yeah. Cake flavor, vanilla.
Are you going to help me bake your cake?
I hope you read some of the characters.
So, can you tell me a little bit about the characters? Is there anything specific that I need to look out for?
Well, specifically, most of the
You mentioned his tail is very big.
Yeah, it's about... So, his body starts about there, but his neck up to there. It's just about from the bottom of the body to about halfway through the neck.
Okay.
one thing you need to be keen of, and this one, the one on top, so when you do his arms, the left arm, so if you turn his arm sideways, the bit that goes that way, on top, so there's one leaf there and one leaf there. The one at the top will be cut as a C, not literally as a C, but
like that tiny bit there.
Yeah, and it'll be red on the top, same with the other side. And nothing really much to add other than that the face is like a leaf and then there's like a ball behind.
A ball, like round.
Yeah. Well, I don't really know if it's ball or just something else.
Okay. Tell me about this one. Can I make his wings at least that it's not up and...
Yeah. So if it's down,
yeah,
you may have a bit of trouble because if you look, you can see the body shape is better if the wings go up. But going down, for example, is when you get to this bit. When you go down, that's going to be a problem because then it might hit the tail or hit another bit.
but you know, we're talking about sugar paste, right?
Good point.
Okay, and sugar paste is heavy.
So
Getting wings to stay up in the
It's
air is
You
super hard.
you probably have to use like one of those sticks. If that doesn't work, then yes, you can put it down.
Okay.
Now the other
And can I close his mouth at least, because opening mouth is very
Yeah.
difficult.
But at least with the top teeth, let it go there. The bottom teeth I'll accept to go, but then top teeth, yeah. If you think just the top teeth doesn't work and you need the bottom ones coming up to make it look cool, you can do that.
Okay, and this one.
This is probably going to be the hardest one of them all.
You
Because
think?
I don't just think, I know. Because if you look at it, most of the body is very, very thin. So you can't just roll up a ball, really.
Yeah, I can see. Those legs are like, I don't even know how I'm going to do that.
Now,
And the
outside
feet and the hands. I mean, it's like two little spiky things with round toes on it.
breathe in, breathe out. Now, outside the hardest bit about this is probably the head. Because if you think about it, you literally need to cut one part and another part, especially for the top. Now, the red bit coming out like a horn, it's going to be very confusing and hard. Because it's many different colours. So the black, the one side, from the outside it's black with the red bit's going to be, I'm just saying it's going to be hard. And the other side is actually blue. I'm not saying you have to...
At the back of it.
Just that top bit.
Oh, I see there. That side is blue and
you
this
don't-
side is black.
So the inside's blue and the outside's black.
And what is this?
Those are
Is
like...
it like wings?
No, it's like water shuriken. It's like a shuriken that goes on his back. And that's mostly the reason why he has like that thing coming out. So he has a tail coming out that actually supports it. So if it accidentally starts to drop, it will be supported by like a tail, like a very, very small tail that supports it.
Okay. Wish me luck.
Pretty much.